Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best home espresso machines, you've landed in the perfect spot. Done the research to bring you the best home espresso machines options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Discover which home espresso machines is the best fit for you. All the product links with the best deals in the description box below. List is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Breville Bambino Plus, Best Smart Espresso Machines. The Breville Bambino Plus is one of Breville's breakout hits for home espresso. I've used it as my primary machine for extended periods to test it thoroughly. I've taken it on trips and tested it side by side against its main competitors, including the lower-priced Breville Bambino, compact footprint, just 7.5 inches wide, x 13.7 inches deep. Great for small kitchens. 3-second thermojet heating system, near-instant heat up for fast coffee, automatic microfoam milk frothing, auto and manual with 3 temperature and 3 texture settings. What I like, espresso quality that punches above its weight. Truly superb at this price. Auto and manual milk frothing both work really well. Heats up and ready to go in just 3 seconds. You will still need to do a heating flush. Features are mainly espresso fundamentals, not bells and whistles. Packs a heck of a punch in all areas for such a super compact machine. Number 2. DeLonghi, Dedica Deluxe, Best Friendly Variation Espresso Machines. The DeLonghi Dedica Deluxe, model EC685M, is highly regarded as an excellent entry-level, ultra-compact manual espresso machine that offers a great balance of design, price, and performance for casual home users and beginners. Reviewers praise its ability to reliably pull tasty espresso shots and produce good milk foam in a small footprint. Compact design. At only 6 inches wide, the Dedica Deluxe has an incredibly small footprint, making it ideal for small kitchens or limited countertop space. Reviewers love its sleek full metal body and premium look. Espresso quality. Users and experts are generally impressed with the quality of the espresso it produces. Home Review found it reliably and automatically pulls flavorful, robust shots with a good crema, especially from dark roasts. Speed. The thermo-block heating system is a major highlight as the machine heats up incredibly fast, around 30 to 40 seconds. So you don't have to wait long for your coffee. Number 3. Ascaso Steel Duo, Best Overall Espresso Machines. The Ascaso Steel Duo. That's a pity because the Steel Duo is packed with features not usually found on machines in this price range. I'm talking about adjustable PID temperature control, volumetric shot programming, and even an easily adjustable OPV, overpressure valve. There's loads more to discuss, and I'll go into more detail later in this Ascaso Steel Duo review. Still, you should be starting to see why this machine has me so excited. I already gushed about how lovely the Steel Duo is to behold, so I'll try to keep myself in check as I describe its size and design. Suffice to say, it never hurts to have a beautifully designed espresso machine sitting on your kitchen counter. I mean, you're going to be looking at it way more than you'll ever be using it, and as the name suggests, Number 4. Rocket Appartamento, Best Smart Espresso Machines. The Rocket Appartamento is a highly regarded, compact espresso machine known for its stunning vintage industrial design, premium build quality, and excellent performance for its class, offering simultaneous brewing, steaming via its HX boiler and E61 group head, making great espresso and microfoam for latte art, with newer TCA models adding PID and aesthetic upgrades like soft touch finishes, though it requires patience for dialing in and has a warm-up time. Ideal for passionate home baristas wanting a stylish, capable machine. Design. Beautiful, compact, and robust with stainless steel. Number 5. Gaggia Cadorna Prestige, Best Overall Espresso Machines. The Cadorna Prestige features 15 pre-programmed beverages including a ristretto, espresso, espresso lungo, coffee, americano, cappuccino, cappuccino extra large, café au lait, café cortado, latte macchiato, extra large, flat white, frothed milk, over iced coffee and hot water for tea, hot cocoa, or infusions, so you can play around with each beverage to craft something that you'll really love. If you're a fan of milk beverages, the Cadorna Prestige comes with an integrated milk carafe, so milk never passes through the machine. With one touch, you can create a seamlessly layered latte macchiato or cappuccino XL with no hassle or extra steps needed. The carafe locks onto the machine, froths milk twice to get the perfect consistency, and removes any large bubbles. Once it's all said and done, it runs an automatic cleaning cycle to purge any milk residue out of the wand. Number 6. Gaggia Classic Pro, Best Premium Espresso Machines. The Gaggia Classic Pro is a highly recommended entry-level espresso machine, known for its durable, commercial-grade components and potential to pull excellent shots, though it requires some practice to master temperature stability. It is widely considered a great value for home baristas looking to develop their skills and exceptional build quality. The machine is widely acclaimed for its rugged, primarily stainless steel housing and minimal use of plastic, giving it a solid feel that reviewers compare favorably to more expensive commercial machines. Users report these machines can last for decades with proper maintenance. Commercial-grade components. It features a 58mm commercial-size portafilter, a solid brass on E24 models, group head and boiler, and a 3-way solenoid valve, which are rarely found at its price point. Number 7. Breville Barista Touch Impress, Best Smart Espresso Machines. The Breville Barista Touch Impress is praised as a user-friendly, all-in-one espresso machine ideal for beginners, featuring a touchscreen for guided steps, the Impress puck system for perfect dosing and tamping, an auto mill cue for automatic, plant-based milk texturing, though some users find the grinder inconsistent or the plastic components less premium than the metal parts, with its strength being remarkable consistency and ease of use for delicious lattes and espressos. An ideal for beginners, the machine is frequently recommended for novices who want great coffee without the steep learning curve of traditional espresso making. The guided touchscreen interface and step-by-step tutorials are a major highlight. Number 8. Flair Classic, Best Premium Espresso Machines. The Flair Espresso manual espresso maker's stylish good looks and minimalist design. I won't bombard you with a bunch of adjectives. Suffice to say the Flair Classic is going to add a sense of elegance and refinement to your kitchen. And featuring a forged aluminum base and solid, weighty stainless steel parts, the Flair Classic is certainly well built. Even so, the espresso maker felt a little wobbly to me once I'd put it together. That said, you are able to permanently attach the lever to the base, which adds a lot of stability. On the flip side, part of the Flair's appeal is its portability. The whole thing can be taken apart and weighs just 5 pounds, 2.3 kilograms. Plus, it comes with an awesome padded travel case. That's all well and good, but there are lots of parts, some quite small and fiddly. Let's just say I wouldn't trust myself not to lose a crucial component along the way. The true genius of the Flair Classic Espresso Maker's design becomes apparent when you consider its removable brewing chamber. Number 9. DeLonghi La Specialista Arte Evo, Best Overall Espresso Machines. The DeLonghi La Specialista Arte Evo is praised for its compact design, attractive retro look, and user-friendly features like temperature control, a good steam wand for microfoam, and a unique cold brew function, making Café-Quality drinks accessible. However, some reviewers note limitations in grinder burr access, sheen cleaning, due to the non-removable hopper and fixed dose amounts, with potential for a learning curve for beginners. Number 10. DeLonghi Dinamica Plus, Best Fully Automatic Espresso Machines. DeLonghi is a well-known name when it comes to coffee makers, particularly espresso machines and automatic coffee machines. However, while it may have been running for more than a century, its first coffee makers weren't released until 1990. It offers a wide array of models from manual espresso machines, single-serve coffee makers that use pods, and even fully automatic coffee makers. The DeLonghi Dinamica Plus is one of its top-of-the-range bean-to-cup coffee machines, which can create your favorite barista-style coffees at the touch of a button.